Thank you for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hello, Live Lives. Hello. Thank you for the likes. I'm fine. Thank you. I mean, actually, I still never get that pink comb back from India. Where's that? Ah, yeah. I found. Yeah, Ben. Ashley, you remember my niece's name? Ashley. Oh, you found it, yeah. Shara is Khalifa Khalifi. What's the plan tonight? Just wake up. Can't sleep when wake up. When I wake up, no plan. Need to sleep but can't sleep. Oh. I like your pink sweater. Thank you. So, how was your day? Tiring day. Tired day. You have a long, beautiful hair, Shara. You're nothing like our. Good. Did you see your colleges today? No, not today. Yeah. We didn't work today. No, I mean, I thought yesterday, but today is Monday, so I do. You took a day, a lazy. okay. Thank you for the likes. Two billion viewers, 3 million likes. I feel better now. This sleep soon, Sha. Thank you. Hello, Dalia Sharif. Hi, Dalia Sharif. Oh, we get another one. We get another one. Thank you for another one. The likes grows plump. Thank you. Thank you so much. I am Filipinos put the feet on the seat when you're about to eat. Yes. I about yes. When I eat like this. Yeah. That's right. It's me. I'm from Malaysia. Hi, nice to meet you, darling. Sherry from Malaysia. Well, Cheryl is from Philippines. Yeah, I'm from Philippines. Thank you for watching. 5 million here now. Live lives. Where are you from? Where are you from? Sana all to the Philippines, Cheryl. Sana all. No, it's still something where I am from, Cheryl. Are you are from USA? You're from USA. I want to sleep. Bye, guys. Bye bye. You're from USA. I forgot. Where are you in USA? Am I right? Are you from USA? Are you living in USA? That's not fair. There's a lot of state. Oh my god. Okay, let me think. Oh my god. I forgot. Oh my god. I want you to say this date, yeah. my god, I felt pressure about this. Mm. I always ask you about it. Where from or do you live before? But I forget now. Wait. Yes. Wow, that's a hard question. Yeah. Hi guys, thank you for joining. Hello Cheryl, how are you doing? I'm doing live. Are you living in where are you living? New York. New York. Thank you for the likes. You're living in New York. Mm. Oh my gosh, New York. Where? Ah, okay. I'm California. Sorry. At least I'm alright living in the US. Hello. Hi, Jerry. In the USA, but you said New York. Whatever. Next question. Next question, please. Okay, what's your favorite color, Cheryl? My favorite color is sky blue. Yeah, I like sky blue. The Filipino likes the color of sun. Yeah. Hi, dog. Thank you for joining. The Sonic. Oh my god. Sure. Thank you so much for 7 people here. Okay, I have better one. What shows do you watch? Is it K-drama? I like, yeah, K-dramas, but I like fantasy. Fantasy movies. Like, why are you up so late? I know, I wake up early. I sleep early. I wake up early. Too early. Just, what time here? Almost 2 a.m. and 2. 2. 2 a.m. 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 a.m. here. 2 a.m. in the morning. What should I say? Thank you for the likes. Fantasy and K-dramas were interesting. What kind of music do you like to keep up? Classic. I like classic music. Um, you're not up late, you just up early. Yeah, I just up early. Yes, stop. Yes, stop. I like classic music, Cheryl. Yes. OPM. Do you like any sport child to watch or play? I like sports, volleyball, but I like volleyball. Sometimes I play. Baby na to ano, yeah. Thank you so much. I like volleyball with Filipinos. Even the crowd gets to enjoy. I have a question. Oh gosh, six cousin like you are family. Oh my god. Thank you po. Thank you for the likes. Oh my god. I'm one of those 6 million likes. Thank you to those who give the likes. Thank you so much. What questions do you like to be asked, Cheryl? Wait. Question. Nothing. It removes the questions. Wait. Ah, okay, yes, I have it. What a question? Mm, no question. It's okay, take your time. Take your time. This is a sleepy live with you. The sleepy Filipino combs her hair. Thank you. Thank you for joining Love Live Lives. 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 Love Live Lives. Lives. What time will you have coffee? No coffee. You can just call me whatever it is easiest for you to see sleeping. Love Live Lives. Mm. What did you have for dinner? Mm. For dinner, fish and rice. Arise is life, not fish. Fish and rice is life. Yep. Uh-huh. Cheryl, what time do you go to work? Maybe after lunch. Do you work today? Yes. Yeah. Everything happens after lunch with you. Shower will be a new routine after lunch. More energy. Yes. God. Oh my God. You seem so sleepy, Cheryl. I hope you get some sleep soon. Yes, thank you. Well, you like working your colleges are the nice people, Cheryl. Yeah, they are nice people. Yes. Which one comb your hair better, the yellow or pink comb? Better it is pink. That's why Ashley stole the pink. It combs better, at least she brought it back though. Yeah. God. Very nice. She knows she need to come to live. Yes. Have you ever cut your hair? Your coverage? Your Have you ever cut your colored or coverage? Cut? No, not cut. Even not colored. I want to color my hair. I don't know if what, maybe blue. I don't know. It's a color. Have you ever have you ever cut your hair? Lol, I'm getting sick and then sleepy. The Filipino showgirls has more energy. Yeah, because maybe still young. Feel young. Ikaw, headache. Good. We need coffee, but it's early for that, yeah. How early is too early for Mm. I'm going to sleep because I fell sleepy now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I guess you have to wait for you finally fall asleep enough to sleep. Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you for joining. Hope you join next live. Bye. Mission accomplished. Good night, Charles. Sweet dreams. Thank you. Thank you for joining.